Vantis Institute has a great financing option if you're interested. We do accept Care Credit. Care Credit is a healthcare credit card that is used pretty much in every major healthcare facility. What I like about it is you can choose a no interest plan for 6 or 12 months or a 24 or 36 month financing option with interest as low as 14.9. So depending on what your budget is and how you want to kind of play around with that, it's a great alternative. The website itself, carecredit.com, has a fantastic payment calculator on the homepage, and I love this. So whether you're financing a portion of it or the full amount, you can really plug in the numbers to see what works best with your budget and kind of take it from there. It's easy to apply. It takes all of 2 minutes. Right there, one click, you're done, and usually they give you an instant result. It's a great option for financing as long as it's paid within that promotional period. It's a great alternative. So I would encourage you to check it out, carecredit.com. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to help.